I only wish I had known this hair secret earlier. It made my hair feel softer, fuller, and so smooth that even I was surprised by the difference. If you're looking for a solution to revive damaged hair without going to the salon, make sure to watch until the end so you can follow every step correctly. We'll start with the first ingredient, 1 medium potato. First, peel the skin carefully to remove the outer layer that may irritate the scalp. Potatoes have been used for natural beauty care for generations. Thanks to their natural starch, B vitamins, vitamin C, and essential minerals, potatoes help smooth and soften each strand of hair while reducing dryness and frizz. After peeling the potato, use a grater to shred it into very fine strands. When the potato is grated this finely, the starch and nutrients inside are released more easily during cooking. Potato starch creates a natural protective layer that helps your hair look smoother, healthier, and shinier. In addition, the vitamin C in potatoes supports collagen production in the scalp, helping to nourish weak hair follicles and encourage new hair to grow stronger and faster. After shredding the potato finely, transfer all of it into a saucepan and add about 300 ml of water. Cook over medium heat, stirring gently so the potato doesn't stick to the bottom. After just a few minutes, you'll notice the mixture starting to thicken. This is when the natural starch from the potato is released, creating a smooth, creamy base for our natural keratin-inspired hair mask. It gives a similar smoothing effect to many keratin-style treatments you'd find at hair spas, but in a gentler, more natural way. While waiting for the mixture to thicken, I'd love to ask you something. What is the biggest concern you're facing with your hair right now? Hair fall, dryness, or slow growth? Feel free to share in the comments so I can help you better. When the potato mixture has completely cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or a thin cloth to obtain the smooth, starchy gel. This gel works similarly to a natural form of keratin, helping to fill in dry, hollow areas of the hair, soften frizzy strands, and restore the structure of damaged hair. After straining, don't throw away the leftover potato pulp. It's an excellent ingredient for making a skin-nourishing mask that helps the skin become softer, brighter, and naturally more even-toned. We will make full use of this part in the next step, so don't waste it. Now, let's move on to the step that will make the mixture even more keratin-like. First, add 1 pump of vitamin E. Vitamin E helps improve blood circulation under the scalp, allowing the hair follicles to receive more nutrients. This supports the growth of new hair that is stronger and healthier. Next, add 1 pump of castor oil. This oil is well known for its ability to restore shine and elasticity to the hair strands. With regular use, castor oil helps the hair look thicker, stronger, and noticeably reduces breakage. This is a classic secret many hairstylists recommend to naturally encourage hair growth. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil absorbs quickly into the hair shaft, provides deep moisture, and helps reduce protein loss. One of the main reasons hair becomes dry, brittle, and split at the ends. Stir well until everything blends into a smooth, glossy mixture. Before applying it to your scalp, test a small amount behind your ear or on your wrist for 10 to 15 minutes to check for any reaction. If there's no redness, itching, or irritation, you can safely use it on your entire scalp. You can store the mixture in a glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. When using the mixture, apply it from the roots all the way to the ends so every strand is coated with the nourishing layer. Then put on a shower cap for about 2 hours to help it absorb more deeply. Finally, rinse it out with a gentle shampoo and use conditioner if needed. Even after the first use, you may notice your hair feeling noticeably softer, with the ends less dry and easier to comb through. The smooth, silky finish feels very similar to a keratin treatment at the salon, but made entirely from natural ingredients that are simple and comforting to use at home. Keep up with this routine regularly to enjoy hair that feels stronger, fuller, and shinier each day. And don't throw away the leftover potato pulp. After straining, you can easily turn it into a simple, effective face mask. First, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, keeps the skin moisturized, and makes it soft and supple. This ingredient is especially suitable for dry or easily irritated skin. Next, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt contains mild lactic acid that helps cleanse the skin's surface and gently exfoliate, leaving the skin brighter and smoother. Finally, add 1 pump of almond oil. This oil is rich in vitamin E and beneficial fatty acids that deeply nourish the skin, help soften fine lines, and maintain elasticity. Once you mix everything, you'll notice the blend becomes smooth, soft, and very easy to apply to the skin. Have you ever tried a similar recipe before? Feel free to share your experience. I would love to hear how it worked for you. You only need to apply a thin, even layer over your face, neck, and even your hands, the areas that tend to get dry and show signs of aging quickly. The mask adheres lightly to the skin, giving a cooling and relaxing sensation as soon as you apply it. Keep the mask on for about 30 minutes so the nutrients can absorb more deeply. Then rinse with warm water to cleanse gently, and finish with a quick splash of cold water to tighten the pores and leave your skin feeling smoother. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, softer, and healthier day by day. Store the mixture in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it in the refrigerator to help maintain its freshness for longer. When you're caring for your hair or skin, take a few extra minutes to gently massage the area. This simple step can help encourage better circulation, support absorption, and bring a pleasant sense of relaxation after a long day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.